Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold rise 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Rocketing US government bond yields that have led to a global jump in borrowing costs are raising new risks for economic policymakers, hoping to lower inflation without triggering a major crisis. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange platform by trading volume, pushes for UK operation as it has launched a new domain for the region, despite its previous decision to cancel its subsidiary's registration with the country's Financial Conduct Authority. Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix will be allowed to supply US chip equipment to their China factories indefinitely without separate US approvals, South Korea's presidential office and the companies said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10:00 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 0430 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Spending Volume will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers Survey current at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers Survey Outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.